Do you ever do something a little bit crazy just because you saw someone on the internet do it? 'Cause I did.
Good morning, everybody. We are off to find waterfalls today. And I'm here with my friend
Sarf. Hi.
Sarf. We're hiking to the waterfalls. It's gonna be a fun day. We have found the way to the waterfall, and it's gotten steep again. Yay! Our first river crossing looks very hazardous. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Oh, there's a little waterfall up here. It's so pretty. You can hear it. We've made it to the first waterfall. One waterfall down. The first waterfall, very crowded, very touristy, but it seems the path will be less so from here, although it's still very steep. We're now just like 5 minutes away from the first waterfall, and it is just us and the banana trees. Are these banana trees? I think they're banana trees. Look at these, they're hollow. That's so cool. I hope this is the right route. I don't know. There haven't been any other routes.
Yeah, I was
like, Another Colombian parking lot. Hello, can I say hi? You have a little scratch? Oh, does that feel good? Do you like ear scratches? Right there? Yeah? Oh. He's not disliking it, I can tell that. Okay, yeah. We've come to a crossroads. This is a locked gate here, and we've got this farm gate here that looks like it's mostly for animals, so we're trying this way. You can do it. Just jump, or not. That is the gate you go through, and then you start getting this freaking beautiful view. Ah, I love it. I am so happy to be here right now. You're definitely gonna want proper hiking shoes for this trail. Do not come in flip-flops. Oh, horse dung. Very secure system here. Whoop. Oh, it's very slippery. We've made it into the jungle. Trying to figure out. I think your shoes are just gonna get wet. Yeah. We found some other hikers, the four-legged variety. I would just go, I think. We very much entered uncharted territory. We're trying to figure out exactly where the path is, but we found the river, which is a good start. Careful, it's really slippery. This is what we call not a safe river crossing. I would not cross the river here, especially with how deep it gets, and that looks like it might actually go over a bit. But it is a very nice view. I think we actually have to continue up along the trail a little bit more, but it's an adventure. So we are kind of next to the river, but still very much in a field, and we just spotted another waterfall, but we don't know how to get there exactly. I think it's through the forest here, but we will see soon enough. Our trail. We're both getting hungry. We need to stop for food soon. I can hear the river. We're way above it now, which on the bright side hopefully means we won't be hiking up for too much longer. We've run into another tour group here, and we're just hiking and hiking. And I have no idea how long did we keep passing what I can see like waterfalls on the river in the distance, and like we keep not going to them, so I'm wondering like when we're gonna get back to the river. That is why you use 2 hands. We are like way up in the mountains now. This is way higher than I thought we were gonna hike. We've definitely gained like a lot of elevation. We have made it to the second waterfall, the Segunda Cascada. I think it's quite beautiful. Snack time. So our stop at Waterfall Jardin is our last stop on the hike, and we're gonna head back from here, but this has been a beautiful place to stop and have lunch and just enjoy the nature. Estamos... Shit. I'm trying to figure out how to say we're going down. I can't remember how to say it. We're going down. Cannot fear anything living in the grass because you are just in the grass and mud this whole freaking hike. So all that trail to go. We've opted to try a different way back because on our way here we went past a really narrow part, and I don't even know how much of it I filmed because there were cows that looked really aggressive, and I did not want to be filming not paying attention to the cows. So we're trying to get back a different way that will hopefully have a less narrow part with fewer cows. Does mean we have to cross the river there. So we watched a couple tour groups do it, so we know it's possible, but we just got to get down there through this very steep little trail here. It turns out the river crossing is in fact the place that we looked at earlier. Maybe it's safer than I assumed. Getting down is definitely not easy. We're currently debating what the safest place to cross the river is. We're debating which way to go. We found a trail that goes that way and it looks maybe more promising, so we'll see. Got a bit of a path going on here. Our path has become a forest once again. This is the river we're not crossing. I have no idea where that tour group crossed because there's like no safe place to do it here. The river crossing was a fail. We're going back to the cows. Better safe than sorry. This part of the trail is a bit more pleasant without being stared down by cows, I will admit. Definitely easier. This is a good way to get across. I'm trying to get across this. How? Oy. Oh no. Oh, that's very, very muddy. We've made it back to semi-civilization. We passed a house and a banana farm. Friendly buddy. We've made it back to the first waterfall. Finally. I'm gonna rinse off my shoes again because they are still very gross. Apparently you can rappel down this waterfall. That feels really good. I'm really enjoying it. Instead of going back to the town right away, we were venturing to Cafe Jardin on the side of the mountain. We made it to the cafe. It is very, very crowded, but we're hoping to wait out and get some drinks because the drinks here look amazing. Ito es Mateo Golupa. Looks so good. Es arequipe y queso. Es muy bueno. I'm so excited. It's now golden hour and we get to look at the beautiful fields.